In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to win on chess.com. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you in your PC. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type chess.com and hit the enter button, and that should take you into this page. Of course, if you have an account, you can simply go and click on this login option on this left panel, and here you can enter your username or email, password, and check this remember me if you don't want to log in anymore. Of course, you can even log in with your Apple account, Google account, or Facebook account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging into your account. Or if you don't have an account, you can simply go and click on sign up from here or sign up from here. Both will take you to this page. And here, of course, you'll just have to choose a username, email, enter an email password, and simply click at sign up. Of course, you'd like even to choose your chess skill level, new to chess, beginner, intermediate, or advanced. And also, you can sign up with Apple, Google, or Facebook, like login if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of signing up. So once you're logged in into your account or you just created your account, you'll find yourself here in this home screen or the main screen of the chess.com. So as I said in the beginning of this series, we would like to show you how to win. And of course, if you want to do that, we would like to checkmate your opponent. How to do that? Let's just go to this left panel, hover plane, click on analysis. So if you want to checkmate your opponent, actually, you would like to trap the white or the black king so they can have no other place to go. Any other square is threatened. So let's just set up a position here as an example. Let's just put this here, and load. And as you can see, if I move now my queen here, this king is checkmated. That means the white win. Because he cannot go here because those pieces are holding him down, and he cannot eat the queen because the queen is protected by the bishop. That means I win, the white win, and that means he got checkmated. Of course, if you like cover by check every other square and not the square the king on, that's called the stalemate draw, so make sure to avoid that because it's very annoying. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching it. Goodbye.